What if your process diagram could do more than show steps? What if it could help your whole team coordinate, clarify responsibilities, and keep work flowing? In this video, we'll expand on our previous example from the basics course to map work across the team. But you can use your own process if it's more relevant. We'll also follow this checklist to guide us along the way. Let's dive in. The first thing we need to do is change our document status to draft. This signals to anyone opening the file that it's a work in progress. Just like before, the focus is on getting the steps right, not on creating perfect visuals. I'll navigate to File, Document Status, and select Draft. Next, let's remove the previous container. That single container worked well for showing an individual steps, but for team processes, we need a specific type of container, the swim lane. I'll drag out a swim lane container and place it over the existing process. With our swim lane on the canvas, we can now add lanes for additional roles like the manager and director. I'll select the swim lane container to open the contextual menu and add two new lanes, one for the manager and one for the director. Then we'll update the lane headers to reflect their roles. Finally, let's turn on Assisted Layout. This feature keeps shapes aligned and evenly spaced as we add steps, saving us time while also keeping the diagram tidy. You can still drag shapes or adjust spacing manually by using these drop zones or lines. Now we're ready to add steps for each role. Let's start with the manager's responsibilities. She begins by preparing the project blueprint and sharing it with the designers. Later, she reviews their blueprint and provides feedback. So I'll drag these steps into her lane following the noun-verb format we used earlier. As we continue mapping out the process, we might notice that something's missing. For example, the designer needs to request feedback from the manager. It's an easy fix. I'll create that step, drag it into place, and let Assisted Layout handle the alignment. Remember, our focus right now is simply getting all the process shapes into the correct lanes. Don't worry about connecting the lines just yet. It's actually faster to place every step first and then add the connections afterward. Now, the manager also reviews scripts and provides feedback during development, so we'll add those steps here. Once the designers finish the course, the manager sends it to distribution partners, reports on it to the director, and finishes by reviewing the course 3 months later. Now let's add the steps for the director. His lane is lighter but still important. He reviews the final course, monitors key metrics, and reports outcomes to leadership. Including these touch points completes the full picture of how work flows across all roles. Now that we've added all of our shapes, let's mark the final steps as terminator shapes to indicate the end of the process. Hold the Shift key and click to select multiple shapes. Then click on the Change Shape icon and select the terminator shape from the menu. Next, we'll add lines to show process flow. I'll hover over a connection point to attach the line, then drag it to the next shape. As a pro tip, we can set our default line style with nothing selected on the canvas. So for example, I prefer jointed lines instead of curves, so every new line automatically uses that style now. If connection nodes are tricky to grab, just zoom in slightly. Now let's take a quick look at the diagram to confirm the flow looks right. Then use the sliders from Assisted Layout to adjust spacing between shapes and swim lanes. And if any lines shift or behave unexpectedly, we can turn off auto line routing from assisted layout and redrag them to restore their original positions. And just like that, we've expanded a simple process flow with swim lanes to show roles, responsibilities, and workflows across the designer, manager, and director. The diagram isn't polished yet, and that's fine. At this stage, the goal is to capture the full flow. Next, we'll share that draft with others so everyone can follow along and provide feedback. Just keep swimming, and I'll meet you at the share stage.